Hello students, today our topic is we have to find the distance between 2 points. In our earlier video on basic things we have done the formulas. Today we will do how to apply this formula. We have given 2 points A and B. We have to find distance in between them. So what we know, the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here, what is x1 y1? This is your point x1, this is y1, this is point x2, this is y2. Okay, now you have to apply it. How can we apply? Just you see, x2 minus x1, x2 is here minus 1, minus x1 is what? 3, y2 minus y1, y2 is here 2, y1 is here 5. Then what will be? Minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. And 2 minus 5 is minus 3. And minus 3 square is 9. What is 16 plus 9? Is 25. This is your 5 units. Okay. Come on one more question we are doing. Come on question number 2. On question number 2. Find the distance between 2 points P and Q. Coordinates are given to you. P and Q are these. Then what to do? You have to first mention this is x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. Then what is the formula? Distance formula is d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is your minus 2. And minus of minus 6 means plus 6 whole square. y2 is your minus 5 and minus y1 is your minus 3. Okay, I am extending one equation, see here. Now see, this is plus 4 square. What will be here? Minus 5 plus 3. This will be minus 2. Minus 2 square. Then what will be inside? 4 square is 16 and 2 square, minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. Then what is d then? Under root 20. What we can write? 5 into 4. So last answer is 2 root 5 units. Come on the next question. If we have given points like this and you have to find distance in between it. Okay, points are given. Point A is given a sin theta, a cos theta, and point B is given minus a sin theta and minus a cos theta. Just you think just like a points only. Okay, then what will be this? This is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. You have to substitute this value on that formula. See here, this is x2 minus x1. x2 is your minus a sin theta minus x1 is a sin theta whole square. Come on, what is y2? Minus a cos theta minus what is y1? A cos theta whole square. Then what will be? Minus a sin theta and minus a sin theta, it is 2 times. This will be minus 2a sin theta whole square. Similarly, minus a cos theta and minus a cos theta, this is also of 2 times. This will be minus 2a cos theta whole square. Square root of this, minus 2a means 4a square sin square theta, 4a square cos square theta. If I take out 4a square outside from the square root, you will get 2a. And what will be inside? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now see one identity, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. And you have seen in trigonometry also, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is always 1. Square root of 1 is 2 into square root of 1 is 1. Answer is 2A. This is your answer. Come on the next question.